What's up, UP? This is Joan Manalo, your super senior iska, at nagbabalik muli tayo sa isang mabilis, madali at malaman na episode ng Wikipedia! Today, mag-iikot-ikot tayo sa UP Diliman to ask UP students a very controversial question. Curious ba kayo malaman ano yun? Tara, samahan niyo ako! So first question, paano ka pumipili ng profs?
Ginagamit ko talaga yung RUPP. And then nagtatanong talaga ako if this professor is good.
Check ko rin actually, hindi lang yung prof, pati yung demand ng class.
Wala na, it's a prank! Ako swertihan na lang talaga ako. Kung ano man ibigay ng CRS ko, kunin ko na talaga.
Actually, hindi. Kasi sa major profs, may naka-assign na.
Ano yung factors na kina-consider nyo when you choose profs?
How they approach the students. Kasi minsan it makes or breaks yung experience.
Kung paano sila nag-handle ng students as well as how they teach their lessons.
Pedagogy. Tsaka yung volatility. Kung nagagalit sila sa students.
Student-friendly siya in general. Basta chinecheck ko if lenient ba siya sa deadline.
Dapat unawable.
Ano yung pinaka non-negotiable mo when choosing professor?
Sa akin, updated sa showbiz happenings.
Wow! Very mascom, very mascom.
Kung maganda reviews galing sa mga upperclassmen.
Dapat nagre-reply, nag-email, open to questions. Yun.
Dapat carry ko talaga yung workload and talagang non-negotiable for me na unawable siya.
Yung hindi sana sexist and homophobic. Kasi, di ba, dapat learning, it creates a safe space.
Para sa inyo, what makes a good professor?
Someone who encourages us to explore our own perspectives.
Yung pag-balance niya ng professional tsaka personal relationship niya with the students.
Compassion. Kasi more than just being knowledgeable, it's also about connecting with your student on what they need.
Easy uno prof or tough love prof?
Easy uno! Easy uno!
Easy uno.
Tough love.
Wow!
Easy uno.
Younger professors or tenured professors?
Oh, OMG!
Tenured professor.
Younger. Takot ako sa tenured professor.
GE profs or major profs?
G profs.
Major pro.
GE profs. Sorry po sa mga bimas.
In just one round of traveling around UP, nalaman natin na iba-iba pa rin talaga ang UP students when it comes to picking their professors. Pero syempre, di porket easy uno lang si prof ay petics na tayo. And para mas mag-excel pa kayo sa inyong ACADS, of course, don't forget to follow UP Broadcasting Association on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more UP content and tips. Muli, this is Joan Manalo, your super senior iska na may hinahabol pang thesis revisions, and this is Wikipedia.